Hello guys, my name Juan Pablo Vallejo in the University International of Ecuador. Oral exam. This class is Learn English. Grammar talking about habits. The present tense, and will. To talk about current habits, you can use the simple present or the verb tense. For example, monthly, I call on my cell. I'm on the cell all the time. My friend don't use I'm. Remember that when the subject of the verb is he, she, or it, the verb ends in it, s. Again, the negative form is doesn't or does not. For example, my son tends to text. He doesn't use him. The verb tend has two possibly negative forms. My son tends not to mail. My son doesn't tend to email. You can also use the modal verb will. Her will does not have future meaning in conversation. Will is often contacted to all offered pronouns. My son tends to text. He doesn't use aim. Occasionally, he emails someone. Examples. 1. For things that we decided to do now. Rapid decision. I'll call a taxi for you. I think we'll go right now. I just decided this right now. 2. When we think or believe something about the future. It's prediction. This can be based on personal judgment or opinion. The president will not be re-elected at the next election. 3. To make an offer, a promise, or a threat. You look tired. I'll finish the dishes for you. I will do my best to help you. If you say anything, I will kill you. The present tense, tend, and will. You can use the present continuous for a longer activity that happens at the same time as another habit. When I'm traveling, I am normally using my laptop to make calls. You can use always and constantly with the present continuous for habit that's noticeably on more frequent that is unusual. My kids are constantly texting. Examples. Present continuous tense can be used expressing something happening right now or to express something that is not happening right now. Example of this as included. He's not standing. Present continuous tense can also be used to show that something will or will not happen in the near future. Example of this use included. She's not going to the game tonight. Is John playing football today? Present continuous tense can be used for actions that are still happening at the time of speaking. Examples for this use include: Mark is making pizza now. They are eating lunch right now. Present continuous tense can be used in questions as well. Here are some more examples of this use. Is she laughing? Are they listening to the teacher? Grammar check. Look at examples that choose the correct words to complete the sentences. I am on the phone all the time. My son tends to the text. He doesn't use I'm. Occasionally he'll mail someone. My kids are constantly texting. If you say occasionally my son will use email, you are talking about in this case is the present. You can use to talk about current habits. In this case, the simple present and the present continuous. You can use the present continuous always or constantly to talk about habits that are, in this case, more frequent than usual. The present tense, tend, and will in conversation. People often use will, ill in statements to talk about their habits questions, and the negative forms will not, won't, are rarely used in this meaning. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, Teacher Hilde.